Okay, today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about singular versus plural nouns. First, we need to know, what does singular and plural mean? First of all, singular means one and plural means two or more. And let's remind ourselves, nouns name a person, place, thing, or idea. So in English, when you see singular, that means one, and plural, that means there's more than one. What is a singular noun? A singular noun is a noun that names only one person, place, thing, or idea. Some examples are apple, goose, mouse, and doctor. What is a plural noun? A plural noun is a noun that names more than one person, place, thing, or idea. So there's two or more. Examples would be apples, geese, mice, and doctors. Notice how geese and mice have a different ending than doctors with just an S, or apples where we just add the S because it already ends in E. These are irregular plural nouns. So rules for plural nouns. For most plural nouns, you add S or ES at the end of a singular noun form. For example, waffle becomes waffles, we just add an S. Glove, we add just an S. However, sometimes these plurals do not follow these patterns. For example, child becomes children instead of childs, and goose becomes geese. Those are called irregular plural nouns. Some rules for plural nouns. Add S to form the plural for most of your nouns. Like dog becomes dogs. We just add an S because it did not end in these other ones, which we'll talk about here in a second. Banana, we just add S. We add ES to nouns that end in S, X, Z, CH, and SH. For example, bus becomes buses. Fox becomes foxes. Quiz becomes quizzes. And notice I had to double the Z. Church, churches. Bush, bushes. For nouns that end in Y with a consonant before the Y, change the Y to I and add ES. So if it ends in Y with a consonant before it, we add IES. So we have ponies and babies. Nouns that end in Y that have a vowel before them, you just add S. So turkeys, trays would be examples of that. For the nouns that end in F or FE, remove the F or FE and add VES. So we have wolf becomes wolves, knife becomes knives. For nouns that end with a consonant before an O, add ES. So for example, I know that's kind of hard to see. This is mosquito, and it becomes mosquitoes. Mangoes become mango becomes mangoes with an S. A lot of times I see people doing it with just an S. Oh, sorry. Some nouns change spelling when they become plural. So we have tooth to teeth, child to children, and like the other example, goose to geese. Some nouns do not change at all when they become the plural form, like sheep and fish and deer. All right, your turn. Bring this to class tomorrow or next time. Copy this list in your notes. After each noun, put up he for plural and an S for singular next to it. Teachers, helper, gyms, wolves, and fan. All right, make sure you bring it back with you tomorrow. Make sure it gets in that homework folder or in that notebook.